Hello, doctor. Hello, everyone. Here is group 10, and this is about our presentation about the improving the world. And here is my classmate, 黄明杰、丁欢、王子豪、陈静怡、郭溥仪，and 潘玉恒. Okay, next. So I want to show you is our invited is the Smart Plan Translator. So let's invite the first one to share with me why we want to invite this.
Plan translator is a device to translate information from plans into language or other form of communication that humans can understand. Plants transmit information through chemical, light, temperature, and other environmental stimuli. The concept of plant translators is based on the assumption that this single condition that the physiological state need to and health to plant. By interpreting and translating these single, people can better understand the need of plants such as water, nutrients, pests, and diseases, and take appropriate measure. Okay, the next.
Okay, next one, I will introduce the product positions to others. The Smart Plan Translator is a small devices that can improve and understand the way plants communicate, improving and communicate with plants. And here is our. Wait a minute. And here here is some pictures about our invited. As you can see in this picture, this is approximate a person's about our smart plan translator. The length is about 30 cm and the wide is about 2.5 cm. Composed of two parts. The upper part is a plastic shield outside. Inside are some chips and crackers and batteries. Some used to process the signal sent by plants. The following is made of metal sent with a good conduction, which can effectively transmit the signal sent by the plants to about or processing. Carefully look at the two prominent dots below. This simmer used to mate receive the signal sent by the plant. Okay, that's my part. Next one.
The main function are interpreting and translating the sounds, vibrations, and chemical signals that plants emit. It is able to translate the needs, feelings, and intentions of plants into a language that humans can understand. Realize the interaction between people and plants. Okay, next page. We encountered some problems while producing this product. Firstly, the development of software apps is particularly challenging, involving many computer issues. We lack sufficient resources, and the app development process is often affected by changes in requirements. The second issue is the purchase of materials. We are currently unable to obtain such precise material, and its cost far exceeds our budget, so we have not produced this item in large quantities, just created a concept diagram. Okay.
Okay, the sixth feature of smart plant translation are physiological signal interpretation, language translation, real-time monitoring and feedback, needs identification and fulfillment, data analysis and prediction, visualization and remote access. But I think only the first three are the main features. The first main feature is physiological signal interpretation. The intelligent plant translation system is able to interpret the physiological signals emitted by plants, including the release of chemical substances, emission of volatiles, electrophysiological activities, and so on. The second key feature is language translation. What does language translation mean? It means that the intelligent plant translation system translates the interpreted physiological signals into a form of language or data that humans can understand. This allows plant information to be more intuitively understood and applied, facilitating communication and interaction between humans and plants. The third key feature is real-time monitoring and feedback, a feature that is relatively easy for everyone to understand. It means that the intelligent plant in a translation system is able to monitor the physiological signals of plants in real time and provides immediate feedback. This helps the plant manager or horticulturalist to understand the health of the plant and take the necessary action in time. These are what I consider to be the three main features of a smart plant translator. Okay, that's all.
Applicable scenarios in the future. A smart plant translator will be used in many scenarios in life. Examples include home garden, parks and botanical gardens, plant disease diagnosis. In the home garden, plant translator can help home gardeners take better care of their indoor and outdoor plants. Parks and botanical gardens. Visitor in parks or botanical gardens can obtain information about various plants through the plant translator. In the plant disease diagnosis, plant translator can help farmers, horticulturists, and plant protection accept and diagnose disease in plants. By analyzing the sound or chemical signals released by plants, it can provide information about things like passenger infection, nutrient deficiencies, or environment stresses. This helps to detect health problems in plants early and take appropriate treatment measures. Okay, next one.
It can be used for educational and popular science goals, helping students and the public understand the popular of life cycles, ecological importance, and environment impacts. If parents, fun, and education puts information in an interval and real-time manner.
And that is all about our presentation. Thank you.